Now apply the glass material. Now place the dome light, period dome light. Select from here dome, and place a dome light. Now place a V-ray camera. Go to the parameters, select the camera, select to the in camera parameters. Camera. Go to the parameters, make it as film speed from 100 to 240 and for shutter speed from 200 to film speed from 100 to 240 and shutter speed from 200 to 40. Now apply turbo smooth to make it a little bit smoother. Now select the camera. Now render it. Now as you can see the now you can see the glass. Now you can see the glass. Let me place it in. Now go to again render. Now you can see the glass. Now again go to render. Now you can see the glass. Now suppose if you can't see clearly, still it is missing whatever what you should do. Now you can see if it still is it's something missing. What you have to do, glossiness, refraction, now you can see. Now you can see the, if still it is there, you can't see clearly. Now what you have to do, as you can see the in viewport, you can see the, just remove the dome light, just place a plain light so that you can see clearly. From here select plane, drag it upward, make it as invisible, go to options, make it as invisible, so you can't see the light originally been designed, although it must be there, but you can't see the rectangle design. Right now you can see the viewport, that design you can't see in the rendering. Render, go to render it. Now still it's, you can't see. What you have to do, go to render setup, now you can see in the viewport. If you still you can't see, go to the render setup, material editor, make it as white. Now you can see the light glass real in viewport. So with this I have told you how to design a glass. I will be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel, that is Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. and do not forget to press the bell icon to get latest videos notification. Have a good day. Bye.